Okay, so here's how to save a finished screencast video that you made a finished set of notes on using Microsoft Whiteboard. Down on the bottom left-hand corner, there's a share button. You click on that, and then you click on the More button, and it will give you these menu choices. And I'm using an iPad. The same will happen with your tablet, but you can save this to your camera roll. You save the video. And so once you're done with that, you go on to step 2, and I'll show you how to do that in YouTube. So first you'll want to check your camera roll to make sure that the video saved to your camera roll. And that's right over here. It's 13 minutes long. So this one was recorded by my wife, who's a middle school math teacher at Masuda in Fountain Valley. Okay, so the next step would be to take that video and import it to YouTube. So now we go to the YouTube app. And we're going to go to her channel. And in the upper right-hand window, right here, you will see the icon that says to upload videos. So we're going to select this, which one was it, Katya? This one in the middle? Mm-hmm. I think 12.3. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's this one here in the middle. And we hit next, upper right, and we have to add our title. So we're going to type that in on the iPad. Chapter 12.3. Area of what?
Composite figures.
Composite figures. Okay, and then we're going to make that, keep that public, and then upload it to her account. And so while that's preparing, I'll pause and come back to you in a second to show you how to post that to in a Canvas announcement. So in order to show you this quickly while the other video is uploading, this is one of her earlier recordings. She would find her videos in YouTube according to her her video channel. Remember, this is going to be over here under your channel, and then you go to your videos, and oh, there it is. The new one just popped in, so let's take a look. And this is the newest one, so it's processed and ready to play. There's a share link right here, and you're going to copy this share link and then transfer it over to a new Canvas assignment, page, or announcement. Let me show you an example. So from here, I opened up a Canvas assignment. Most of you are familiar with how to get there, so skipping ahead, you just input that YouTube link here, and to make it active, all you got to do is hit the return button. So I pasted it in there and it's ready to go. What you would see on the back end after you set your assignment details and give it a due date, let's make it due tomorrow. You hit save and publish, and then your students would receive that information, and you can see it pops up as a play button right here. Or they could click on this link at the top and it would open up in a large window to play for them. And that's it. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions. Reach out to me via email at bboone@hbuhsd.edu.